Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS beta on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you want the very latest beta version of the iOS software, currently at 15, soon to be iOS 16, I'll walk you through the steps to enroll in that beta program and get those newest releases, the beta releases of iOS. So let's go into Safari here. You can use Chrome as well. And you're going to want to type in and go to beta.apple.com. So beta.apple.com. And you can see here it says Apple Beta Software Program. I can scroll down and it says learn more about next releases. For this, I want iOS 15, so I'll tap on iOS 15 here. And it will talk to me about the iOS 15 beta releases that I could potentially use. So if you want that iOS 15 beta releases, you can hit the Get Started. Once we hit Get Started, it will ask you to sign in, and I can use my face to sign in. And then it will say Guide to Public Betas. I can scroll down, and under Get Started, it says Enroll your iOS device. So I'm going to tap that. And again, it's going to say you should back up your device before you do this. But towards the bottom here, the second option is Install Beta Profile. So I'm going to hit the Download Profile button. It's going to pop up with a little option to allow or ignore. I'm going to allow it. And then it says my profile has been downloaded. So we can find that profile by going into Settings here, and then scrolling down to General, and then VPN and Device Management. So we can tap on that, and you can see this downloaded profile is the iOS 15 beta software program. So on here, you can see that that's installed. However, we need to also update our iPhone to the latest version to be able to get that. So I'm going to tap on Software Update here. And you can see here it gives me the option to download and install the latest iOS beta version, which currently is 15.5, soon to be iOS 16. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.